Hi, I am excited to give you this great tip. This is Crystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com, and I'm today organizing my friend Rochelle, and we are speed sorting into 5 boxes. As you can see over here, we've got 5 boxes: trash, other room, action, donate. You can't tell, but trust me, those 5 boxes are there and we're sorting. And she just said the most inspiring thing, and so I'm going to let her share it with you.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Wolfert, and Crystal's being awesome at helping me organize my joy. Okay, this was my great-grandmother's spoon, but I'm gonna donate it, and I'm not giving her away, I'm just giving her spoon away.
Way to go. And you probably have some other things that are memories, do you?
I do, yeah.
Awesome. That is fantastic. Great tip at OrganizeYourJoy.com.